Today's at-home workout with your qualified online trainer, Wyndham-Read, is a 10-minute cardio workout. This is a low-impact HIIT workout, and it's designed to strengthen the most important muscle of all, ta-da, your heart. So for this, you don't need any equipment or standing moves. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. What I would say is, if you haven't already done a warm-up, simply press that pause button, march on the spot, say 20 seconds. Then when you're ready, I'm ready to start looking after your heart today. So here's a preview of the first move. We're simply going to be doing 4 punches and then 4 knee lifts. So if you just get ready, let's get straight into it and give me those 4 knee lifts and then take that to 4 punches. So make sure you keep that upper body nice and straight. That's good. And give me those power punches for 4. Knee lift. That's it. So 45 seconds. Then what we're going to do is you're going to have a little bit of recovery time, and then I'm going to show you the next move coming up. That's good. So just keep that going. Doing really well. We've got the last 20 seconds, and today's designed to really help boost your heart health as well as your overall fitness. That's good. Nice control. So let's go for last 10 seconds on their power punches, and then take that to that knee lift. And let's go last 3, take it 2 and 1. So if you just march it out, I'm just going to show you the next move coming up. So we do a half star for 4, then we take double arms and we tap that foot behind. So it's half star for 4 and double arms. So let's just get ready to come into position. One arm up, then the other, and one more, and now double arms in front. Just keep repeating that. That's good. And take it. Both arms in front, nice control. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now double arms in front. That's good. So it's that half star. So it's a lateral move, and then both arms come in front. And we've got last 20 seconds. So let's just keep that going. So we haven't got any repeaters today. Each move is different. And let's just go for those last 10 seconds on this one. Double arm. That's it. And now double arm in front. Arm up, and let's just finish with those double arms. That's good. So just march it out. Let's just have a look at the next move coming up. So this one, we're going to do a side step, and we're just going to take your arms, both arms up and over. So let's just get ready to come into position, and we're going to be doing this one again, 45 seconds. So you tap that foot behind, and you're keeping those arms together, and you're just swinging them from one side to the other. Palms are facing in. And the idea is, by really using the arms, really helps to strengthen the heart, just makes the workout a little bit more challenging. And the great thing is today, it's all low impact. So this is really safe on your joints as well. So you've got last 20 seconds, tap that foot. And the great thing is you can just travel this around your room depending how much space you've got. And let's just go for those last 10 seconds. And let's just take that 5 and go 4, 3, 2 and 1. So you just march it out. Let's just have a look at the next move. So for the next one, we're going to go for doing a basic squat, nice and controlled. Then we're going to tap the foot out. So we're going to do sets of 4 of each. So we go 4 basic squats and 4 tap outs. So let's just get ready, come into position, knees slightly bent, tummy muscles pulled in, and let's just squat that 4 and come up, and 3, that's good, and take it 2 and 1. Now hold it here and tap that foot out. 4, go 3, 2 and 1, and just repeat. So just keep that sequence going. So you can see on the right here, we've got a timer bar that represents your 10-minute workout sets. So you can see how far into the workout you are. Keeping that going. We've got another 20 seconds. So it's that tiny squat. 3, and let's go 2 and then 1. And now hold it here, tap the foot. 3, go 2 and 1, and again let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and then last one. All right, so just march it out. Let's have a look at the next move. So for this one, we're going to do a knee raise with an underarm clap for 2. Then you're going to kick the leg in front and just push your arms out in front. So let's take that knee up and clap, and then kick that leg in front. That's good. So we're just going to keep alternating with these 2 moves. So how this works is it's part of a free challenge that I've set up, which is all about boosting your heart health This is completely free, and I've designed a little training guide. You can find it on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below. I don't need your email. It's not an app. As said, it's completely free. It just gives you a really lovely training schedule and tells you how you can assess your heart health, and certain foods are really good for your heart as well. So definitely download it and follow the training program, and let me know your results if you complete the challenge. All right, that's good. 2 and 1. So let's have a look at the next move coming up. This time we're going to do where we do a straight long arm march, and then we're going to do toe taps out to the side. So let's get ready with doing that long arm march to start with. So we're going to just extend one arm in front, the other behind, and we do this for a set of 6. Then once you've done your 6, you tap that foot out for 4. So again, 6, take it 5. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then tap that foot out. 2 and 1. And again for 6, 5 and 4, 3, 2 and 1. Tap the foot out. 4, 2 and 1. And again. That's good. So just keep that going, doing really well. Last 15 seconds. So again, this is what we call a multi-compound move. So we're working near enough every single muscle in your body. That's how we can get great results in such a short time. 2 and 1. So again, bring that back to a march on the spot for me. So you are marching while I'm just showing you the move on the left. So this one, we're doing a hamstring curl. We're going to alternate with double to single. So we're going to start with doing double and again double. Now take it to a single, single, double, 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 and again single. So what I like to do within my workouts is always challenge your motor skills. So your motor skills are also known as agility and coordination. So this is where I'm focusing also on working mental health and mental fitness as well, and that mind and muscle connection. So just keeping that going, that's good. And we've got last 10 seconds coming up from now. And always just make sure that supporting knee is slightly bent. And let's go last 3, take it 2 and 1. So bring that straight back to a march for me. So this one here is a really lovely move. So we do like a mini narrow squat and sunshine arms. And then we're just going to do pretend skipping for 6 counts. So, and then skip 6 counts. And then you're going to go sunshine arms. So go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and sunshine arms. That's good. Just keeping that going. So you can see the timer on the right. You can see we've nearly finished today's workout. So let's just keep that going. And do come and find me on social media, on all my different, all the different social media accounts, and just let me know how you're getting on with your training and just keeping that going. So you've got 15 seconds left. So let's take it to those big sunshine arms and just do that pretend skipping. And last 5, let's go 4, 3, 2 and 1. So here's a preview of your next move. This time we're going to do a lunge back with arms raised and then a knee lift, then you're going to lunge the opposite leg back. So let's just get ready, come into position, and now arms up, step that foot behind, knee lift, step the foot behind, arms up, go knee lift, and just keep alternating. That's good. Nice control. So this one here is also really good for building lower body strength and endurance. Lift the arms up, and by taking the arms up is also then challenging your heart a little bit. So we're making your heart stronger. And you've got last 20 seconds. Knee lift, lunge that back for me. All right, that's good. And let's just go last 10. Lunge the arms up and then knee lift. Well done, and doing really well. Okay, that's good. So let's have a look at your last move, which is this one here. We're just going to imagine we're playing tennis. So we're just going to go from swinging the arms from one side, and you just tap that foot back. So just imagine we've got a tennis ball there, and we are now going to hit that tennis ball. And just keep that going. Halfway through, we'll change, we'll take that to the other side. So we're just going to tap. So this is the final exercise. So you have done 10 minutes, and as I said, if you download the training guide, then you can follow the suggested workout schedule. So I suggest you do this workout 3 times a week.
And then on the other days, I've suggested my indoor walking workouts. All right, let's just change now, take that to the other side and just keep that going. And my aim is to increase and improve your heart health. All right, that's good. And let's just go for those last 10 seconds. Doing really well. Nice control. And let's go 4, take that 3, 2 and 1. And well done. You did it. Really good. You've just invested in your heart health.
So well done, there is your high five. What I'd like you to do for me now is just carry on marching just until that timer stops there, just so we can get your heart rate back down. And really well done with today's workout. And as I always say to you, every time you work out, you are strengthening the most important muscle of all, your heart. So really well done. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, definitely hit that subscribe. And I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. And at the end of this video, click in the link and just come over and do a full cool down stretch with me. And I'll see you tomorrow.